Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate 2FA Fortnite PC. To get started, log into your Epic Games account. Here, click on the profile and select Account. After this, go to the Password and Security section. At the bottom, you can find various options to use authentication in Fortnite. In this case, click Setup in the email for two-factor authentication option. You are going to enter the code that you receive in the email. This code will always be different, and when you enter it, click on Enable Email Authentication. As a result, you can see that this security feature has been activated in Fortnite. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.